Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
Affiliate Programs and Affiliate Marketing, a Wealth of Opportunities, 2020-4. For as long as employment has been the mandatory way in which to make money, people have been looking for easy escapes. The dream of earning a huge salary without much work has been the goal of many but has been realized by very few. The online revolution seemed to pry open many of the doors that had shut in the real world. However, even now there is an air of disillusionment hanging around the internet, following the dot-com crash, and rumors and speculation abound about security. Even in the affiliate program, the big money doesn't come easily. It takes time, patience, and some good business decisions. The first of these decisions lies in which industry that a new affiliate wishes to join. The internet is a hotbed of industry performance. With its uninhibited global reach, business and enterprise has become a cornerstone for the new e-industries. One of the most successful global sectors is that of online gaming. The fledgling affiliate is given all of the marketing tools and instructions to make their site a successful advertising forum, making the transition from internet user to marketing guru an easy one. No money exchanges hands in this initial transaction. The affiliate is instead paid on a commission basis. Each fully signed up customer the affiliate attracts brings them extra revenue. Due to the ease with which a person can sign up and start earning through the online sports betting affiliate program, there is absolutely nothing stopping any person signing up and earning. The potential for custom in the sports betting market is unparalleled, therefore an affiliate has a huge internet clientele to exploit. The earning capabilities of an online affiliate are only inhibited by their own willingness to work and experiment with the online advertising options. The affiliate marketing program offers opportunity in return for very little in the way of effort or financial backing.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.